You are free to choose whichever color you want. Any color you want, you can choose it. But for me, I chose white, and I might decide to change it in the future, maybe one day. But for now, I'll be using that white background. What's up, beautiful people? You are welcome back again to my channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification button so you always get notifications when I post. So today we are going to be talking about backgrounds, picture backgrounds. You know, when you have a picture that you want to use for your thumbnail or to for design or for anything at all, but you don't like the background, and you decided to change the background before you use it for what you want to use it for, okay, and you don't know how to do that. Here I am ready to take you on a journey step by step on how to change your picture background free of charge. You know, sometimes all these apps, all these editing apps will tell you that it's free, that you enter the app trying to change your background, and you will realize that it, it is only meant for those that subscribe to it, those that paid for it. But this one I'm going to teach you right now is free of charge. So hold on to me as we go on to learn step by step on how to change your picture background. What you're going to do is that you will go to your browser, any browser you're using, just go to the search bar and write remove.bg. When you write that, then you click on search. When it opens, you are going to see something like this. Yeah, this image might be a woman or a man. It doesn't matter. Just click on this image, upload image. Then it's going to take you directly to your gallery. Then you choose any picture that you want from your gallery. Sorry guys, I had to blur here because there are many important personal pictures that I needed to blur. I didn't want to bring it to the internet. Okay, just choose one from your gallery. Yeah, I just chose this one, and right now it's removing. And while it's removing, you need to stay online. Just stay here and wait for it to finish removing. So when it's removed, like this one now is removed, then you click down below on this blue download to save it, or you can decide to add another color to the back, add another picture to the back from right here. Okay, if you want to do that, you just click on this download, the plus sign. Okay, you click on it and you're going to see something like this. These are pictures you can add to the background of the picture that you just removed the background. You can click on anyone right now. Let's play around with one picture here. Okay, I just clicked on one, and as you can see, it have changed. My background have changed. You can click on any of these ones. You can play around with it. Okay, then you can also choose color. If you don't want any of these pictures like this, you can choose color by clicking on this color right here. When you click on this color, you are going to see different types of color like pink, blue, green, purple, red, any imaginable color at all you will find there. And that is for those that doesn't like any kind of picture at the background. They can choose colors to their background. Okay, so let's click on it and see for ourselves. As you can see, I just changed the background. Once you click on anyone, the background will change. Okay, it's really beautiful. I know there are people that will like this one. Very beautiful. You can decide to choose any of these ones, and once you are done, I like white. I just chose white. Once you are done, you click on this sign here, right here, and then you click on download, this blue download, and then they'll ask you where you want to save it. You choose where you want to save it, then it will be saved. And that is it. You can now use the picture to do whatever you like for your thumbnails, for anything at all that you want to do. You can then use it. And again, if you want to, like, up there are the pictures I've worked on. If you want to work on another picture, you can just click on this plus sign right here, and you will now enter your gallery again and choose a picture and do exactly what we just
I
did.
really don't know my obsession with white color. I always like using white color. I don't know why, but you are free to choose whichever color you want. Any color you want, you can choose it. But for me, I chose white, and I might decide to change it in the future, maybe one day. But for now, I'll be using that white background. So as you can see, that was very, very easy to do. So if you got value from this video, comment, like, and share, and click the notification button so you always get notified whenever I make a video. And if you have not subscribed, do so right now. Okay? See you next time. Bye.